a key takeaway is that we have come a long way and we still have further to go. There's a lot of interesting trials and approaches being investigated in each of these spaces. For ET, for example, I mentioned briefly in the advanced phase MPN context, we're looking at calreticulin mutated myeloproliferative neoplasms. Those trials are now open also for patients with ET who have a calreticulin mutation where they haven't otherwise responded to any of the available therapies. In Polycythemia Vera, we have an exciting new class of agents, which are the hepcidin mimetics. And these really allow patients to potentially not have to be phlebotomized for their polycythemia vera. Phlebotomy goes back to way before my time, but it is still the how we approach first line therapy for polycythemia vera. So I'm very excited to have patients who might now benefit from that class of drugs if we're fortunate enough to have this FDA approved soon. I hope based on very exciting results using that class of agents. For advanced phase MPNs, accelerated and blast phase disease, I already alluded to the number of promising investigational approaches. I'm excited to see how those pan out, particularly using IDH inhibition, LSD1 inhibition, and other epigenetic modulators. And finally, for prefibrotic myelofibrosis patients, my take home for that was, the natural history of these diseases is long, but when they occur, particularly in younger individuals, we need to follow them closely and monitor them for, any sort of early signs of evolution to overt myelofibrosis.